recorded this, so we will share this video in the with you, and the details are there, so that you can get idea about the who were the party, because it was not only the Rameshwari photocopy, there were others also, who that others are, or with Oxford who were others, all these details you will get. The only the decision or a judgment in this particular case was that section 52 copyright law, justice end law, he has given the justice as, okay, when I was not having a photocopy system, I was like scribbling that particular details when sitting in the library, because I was having the access of the book. So, I used to handwrite that handwritten notes I used to create out of that. Now, I need not to do that, because I have a this technology. So, I am taking a photocopies of that particular, and considering that principle doctrine of a fair use, this case was judgment is given in favor of a Rameshwari photocopy.